world is loud, but out here, there's a different kind of voice. Welcome to Mission Sent Outdoors. We believe the wilderness is more than just a playground, it's a sanctuary. Whether we're trekking in deep woods or casting in open water, we are chasing more than just a trophy. We are chasing connection. Connection with creation and connection with the Creator. Join us for the hunt, join us for the fish, join us for the journey. This is Mission Sent Outdoors. Spirit-led, nature-fed. Subscribe and let's head out.